Thank you.
कुछ लोग उन्हें देखा नहीं होगा, लेकिन उनके बनाए क्रिएशन पर चढ़ा जरूर होगा। वैसे हमारे वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस की संरचना भारत में करने वाले डॉक्टर सुधांशु मनी सर, जो कि हमेशा साथ रहे हैं IMT के प्रोग्रेस के पार्ट एंड पार्सल, डॉक्टर रमेश साहब, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और मनी साहब को दिल के धड़कनों से खोज के निकाल कर लाने वाले हमारे उत्साही कन्वेनर डॉक्टर संतोष कुमार बेहरा, सभागार में मौजूद भारत के प्रसिद्ध फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर रामराज शेखरन सर, प्लीज गेट अप सर, आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस डॉक्टर अचैया एज सेकंड इज प्रोफेसर ऑफ Players will be selected in thousand, engineers will be selected in 10,000 and lakh, but SCRA only 15 in the country. When he joined SCRA, that time country population was around 60 to 65 crore. So he is one among 65 crore. That is the person. He has been trained.
Confer these doctorates in me, and I humbly academic attributes, it's okay. And when Dr. Ramanujan was speaking about me, I was at a time wondering actually whether he was actually speaking about me or somebody else. Thank you very much. And thanks for inviting me to be a part of this sustainable science and technology for Vikasit Bharat. I'll be telling you how innovations can be driven in large organizations as different smaller ones, which is both individual based, and the case study of Integral Coach Factory Chennai. There are some caveats before I start. Number one, where is Santosh ji? Sir. So, how much time do I have? आप जितना ले लो. Sir, it was a hypothetical question. I am a railway man for life. Being derailed is my inherent right. How long I have been derailed is not going to be too merchant organization, investments and so on. So I asked somebody, भाई इसमें थोड़ा मामला different है, तो ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोगों के बीच में जाना है, तो how do I stand whatever I have to speak? As cottages, princesses, palaces. In the same way, to come to him, or it remained a dream. Let's talk about dreams. So, people who get old like me, they tell youngsters, some of you are young, I'm sure, they tell youngsters, go and live your dream. Your friends, your health, and your spirit. You must look after that first before you start looking after your dream. But never let that dream, all of us have dreams, multiple dreams, never let that dream ever die. Let it remain, linger, some part of your head. Let it not be extinguished. Don't be, when that opportunity comes, that's the time to remember these wonderful words of the people's president. Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that does not let you sleep. Then you have to give everything to realize that dream. It was ICF. So in a way, the biggest factory in the world, that all Orient should be proud of this factory, and he would like Chinese engineers to come and learn from them how to make railway coaches. Some reluctantly, some readily, some not at all. Fair enough. As a vehicle to become Vikasit Bharat by 2047, some successes, some failures, I will not go into that. You आईना खाने में तेरी बेशुमार अदाओं के मगर ऐसी भी है कोई अदा जो रहेगी सीना राज में. There is some element of your beauty which will remain buried in the recesses of my heart. Nobody is going to get access to that. And that is technology. That's why I call it transfer of technology an oxymoron. You can get, you can borrow, you can purchase, you can get technology by whatever means, but you cannot stop here. That, unless stamped with your creativity, your input, will remain that technology which can't be accessed. But once you stamp it with your ownership, with your originality, your creativity, then you get an ownership. Dr. Ramanuj, the gumption to take risks and experimentation without which innovation cannot be experimented. I'll give you only 2 examples about dreams. All my life I wondered, these are 2 poets, great poets, 250 years apart, 5,000 miles apart, language apart, culture apart, but it's all about human emotions. It's all about drama. Is there a similarity between them? I was able to realize it in May this year when we presented it to a packed audience in Lucknow, and in January we took it to Hyderabad, and it was very successful. And I am hoping to stage it in Delhi next month. If you don't, better unless it's a serious bread and butter issue, quit. Because you're doing a great disservice. Expand really the world. If some of you are hoping to hear something about the train, there is something I will talk about the train. But people ask me, ये क्या आप बोलते रहते हैं? इसकी वजह से ट्रेन बनी या ट्रेन बनी इसलिए बोलते रहते हैं? I always say, train was always secondary, but transfer of the place and the mindset was the first requirement. So all that was, I was doing was gale pado these people to send across my message. तो जब आप लोग क्या शायद है कि नहीं पता नहीं सरकार में, और सिंपल इट कैन बी दैट ये टेबल ऐसे रखा है, इससे प्रोडक्टिविटी कम है, इसको ऐसे रखें ज्यादा हो जाएगी, एक्सेप्टेड. बट इट शुड बी योर आइडिया विथ योर ओनरशिप. हर महीने मेरे को हर आदमी से एक चाहिए. 165 आइडिया हर महीने चाहिए मुझे, और सिंगल विंडो चाहिए. आइडिया आप दोगे, डिस्कस होगी एक मीटिंग में, अडैप्ट अगर हो गई. अब आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि उसने ये नहीं किया, इसने ये नहीं किया, इसलिए नहीं हुआ. नहीं भाई, आपने आइडिया खुद चूज की है और सिंगल विंडो है, आपको करके देना है. हाउ यू हैंडल इट, इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, इफ यू आर 100, 10 करते हैं 50%, 90 करते हैं. तो इतना सही नहीं मानता मैं. बट आई डू बिलीव दैट 25% जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपने शोल्डर पे लेके चलते हैं. दे डू ऑल देयर वर्क. 70%, 75% ऐसे हैं जो देखते हैं कि भाई काम करने में प्रीमियम है, नहीं काम करने में क्या नुकसान है. वो 4-5 घंटा दिन में काम करने वाले लोग हैं. उनको मोदी जी भी उससे ज्यादा नहीं करा सकते. उससे ज्यादा आप कराने जाइएगा तो काम बिगाड़ देंगे. मान के चलिए आप, सरकारी तंत्र की बात है, प्राइवेट का मुझे पता नहीं. Although I am a consultant in private sector, I find so many weaknesses in private sector. पहले मैं सोचता था सारी efficiency वहीं है, पर ऐसा है नहीं. Equipment and supply chain is always a problem in manufacturing, and we have given ourselves that is the power of trust. And right from top of the country to the bottom, in government at least, it has rubbed off in private sector also. I am consulting and I know the phenomenal lack of trust मोटी मोटी सैलरी देंगे लोगों को, ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे। एक है हमारे यहाँ काम नहीं करती चीजें, बाहर निकलो ट्रैफिक खराब है, ये आपका शहर तो अच्छा है और शहर जाइए तो ट्रैफिक खराब, ये खराब, वो खराब। हम लोग we get so much consumed by was now to light that torch. And unless I did something about what I called an angst and a dream, then it was not a dream, it was a pipe dream. एक छोटी सी चीज और है बिफोर आई गो ऑन इन द स्टोरी, ये एक सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट जेंडर बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर एक चलता है विशाखा, आपके यहाँ भी है। उसमें क्या होता है, कुछ लेडी ऑफ अबाउट 15-18%, but some ladies come, we have been employed as technicians, welders, fitters, ये आदमी लोग they use us as helpers. So what do you want? He says segregate and let us show them. So in lab work, lighter work, birth making work, electrical testing, so many gangs were made and they did better than men, no doubt that. Lifting, welding and fitting, building a railway coach entirely on their own. And that is the pride they had in their work when they dress up like Air Force pilots. It was splashed all over the media. Any organization which thinks frailty thy name is, women is not going anywhere. नारी तुम श्रद्धा थी, आज भी हो, लेकिन तुम केवल श्रद्धा नहीं हो. An organization where women are free, not lip service, treated as complete equals. I knew high number of men required. The coach came down. I said you are overstaffed, like any other government organization. 8,000 का काम 12,000 मिलके करते हो, तो 4-5 घंटे वाले भाई पड़े हुए, 2% वालों को तो बाहर कर दिया मैंने. मैं आदमी नहीं भर्ती करूँगा. I'll bring it down to 10,000 when I leave. I will. एक पेंटिंग वाले चले गए, एक लेक थी जो छिपी थी झाड़ में वहाँ से, और it used to smell to 7th heaven because आसपास की कॉलोनी का. तो ये क्या ट्रेन सेट क्या होता है? ट्रेन तो आप जानते हो, डिब्बे हैं बहुत से, जहाँ जरूरत पड़ी उसको काटा, निकाला, दूसरा जोड़ा, लोकोमोटिव कहीं चला गया, ट्रेन कहीं चली गई, फिर जोड़ दिया, इधर आए, अगर उधर जाना है इंजन काट के आगे लगा दिया. ये सब ये ट्रेन है. दुनिया में 30 साल से ट्रेन सेट हैज इट, पर यहाँ भी बात हो रही थी अर्ली 90s से, पर बात ही होती रहती थी. Now advantages are severe. You people understand. You know, शताब्दी राजधानी है जो नहीं बनेगी, इतना लोगों को भी नहीं, ट्रेन में बीच की चीज है, इसका माई बाप कौन होगा. तो अपना नैरो डिपार्टमेंटल गेम became more important than what the country needed. And then there is an import lobby for obvious benefits. बात होती है, उस बात में कोई बात न थी, जिस बात में कोई बात न थी उस बात की बातें होती हैं. जिस बात पे इतनी बात बढ़ी उस बात में कोई बात नहीं थी. जब बात पे बात आती है तब बात की बातें होती हैं. तो बात की बात हो नहीं पा रही थी. अभी मेरा आई थिंक आई हैड शुरू भी था भाई, ये these Chennai people working in ICF through multiple technology transfer had developed that chutzpah to do something new. They had that audacity to try something new. They had only boredom written on their face, doing more of the same. Channelizing that energy was the only thing I needed to do. That's good fortune. This team, I did not do anything more. The largest factory in the world. अब doubt आ गया एक doubt तो क्या आया कि साहब आपको you are empowered by this government has really empowered the GS. You can spend whatever money you want, thousands of crores. Nothing goes to the ministry. To credit of Suresh Prabhu who did that. Yeah. But लोग कहते हैं कि यार वो सरकार में आए हैं तो काम करने के लिए आए क्या? ये ट्रूथ है, देयर ट्रूथ, अच्छा लगे ना लगे. पहले फ्रूट्स ऑफ ऑफिस हैव टू बी एंजॉयड. काम कुछ हो जाए तो अच्छा है, बट डिलीवरी इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ रेजिडेंस इन दिल्ली. अनइनवाइटेड उनके घर पहुंच गया. मैं कहा जो मैं इंपोर्ट करूँ ना ओवरनाइट स्टॉक से, अगर 2 ट्रेन बनाने को दे दो मुझे, आप जितने में इंपोर्ट करोगे उससे 1/3 दाम में बना देंगे. झूठ बोला मैंने, 1/3 में तो नहीं लेकिन कम में बनती है. 18 में आप रिटायर हो रहे हो, आपसे ही फीता कटवाएंगे उस ट्रेन का, वो भी झूठ करके जल्दी काम होती है. अभी वो वेवर कर रहे थे तो ये मिस्टर मित्तल वही मैंने मौका देखा, बस उनका पैर पकड़ लिया, मैंने कहा नहीं छूऊंगा जब तक सैंक्शन नहीं दोगे। लोग पूछते हैं कि क्या वाकई पैर पकड़ लिया था क्या? मैंने कहा भाई इतनी क्यूरियोसिटी है तो ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा तुम्हें पूछने के लिए, वो तो मेरे और उनके बीच था। But the whole idea is, all pride and vanity. Pride is an enhancer. It enhances you because you look at everyone with happiness, feel good. Vanity diminishes you because you belittle others to elevate yourself. आप उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You have succeeded. Outcome is not in your hands. Not fully in your hand at least. You may fail. They say failure is a stepping stone to success. It's not a cliche. You cannot go on failing. Someday you will have to fail. You will succeed. That is the definition of success, I know. But this fear of outcome prevents us from trying. And that's why things don't get tried and things don't get done. It's all about the risk you are talking about, sir. Our doubts are traitors which make us lose the good. My uncle once again. Our doubts are traitors which make us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt. गिरते हैं शह सवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों में भी चले. I said, so now you have something about arts and something about sports. They all go together with your ultimate achievement. You cannot detach yourself from those things, but once again we will talk about it if we get time. Again, something very important, what I call the Jalebi story, but we'll talk about it later. There's something I want to tell you now. So, 150 various areas in building a train, sub-assemblies or areas. We made a table. Industry has exactly 18 months after starting work, we were able to turn it out. It was tested at 180 kilometers per hour plus. Very successfully, it was launched by the Prime Minister himself as the Vande Bharat Express between Varanasi and Delhi. There was a negativity for 3 years after we built 2 trains. We will not get into that today. But that's not the point. The point is, ये train है. It is not Mangalyaan or Chandrayaan, not a missile, not a rocket, not a spacecraft. But why did I, as a leader, even before the train was turned out, after it was turned out, all over the country, the kind of appreciation and love ICF that I got was something we never thought of. It's just a train. And we always struggled for an answer, कि ये क्या होगा भाई, ना क्यों. The Prime Minister is there to launch each and every train. Either by remote or in person. And what he says is that the train represents the spirit of aspirational and resurgent India. But the joy so lies in the doing. It was great joy working on that project with that great team for 18 months. But people like Dr. Ramanuj here give me the opportunity to come to you and talk about it and relive that joy. So thank you very much. 1,000, a million such projects are possible in this country, ladies and gentlemen. All it needs is leadership with commitment, empathy, and a sense of purpose. Thank you very much. Could one man have done it without that great team? Impossible. I would not replace one member of the team. Please sit down. A gem of an engineer, without him, the train would not have been built. See? Nobody knows it.
DP Das.
I'm sorry?
B.Tech from NIT Jamshedpur.
DP Das.
Justice to this great team members, calling out their contribution by name, and I hope some of you will buy a read about this great team which made it possible.
जहाँ पर लीडरशिप की ट्रेनिंग होती है और कहीं पर भी ट्रेनिंग होती है, उस जगह पर इनका मूवी ट्रेन 18 दिखाया जाता है। और आप एक खुली किताब, एक ट्रेटाइज है, और जिस तरह की बातें उन्होंने बताई, अगर जो हम लोगों में से इफ वी विल फॉलो 1/10 of that, where we will be. It's our dream. He hails from Lucknow. Our IMT has started the dialogue from Lucknow. मुस्कुरा, right? The first dialogue has come, मुस्कुराइए कि आप IMT में हैं, and I am fortunate that I have been able to bring him here. So second dialogue is that what he is telling. If we have a will, if we have a passion, if we have a togetherness, we can do it. If we can make train 18, why not be critical thinker? Why not be carbonization? Why not this? So this was our motive. शब्द कम पड़ जाए, पत्थर पानी बन जाता है, और सुधांशु मणि जैसा लीडर आता है तो 18 महीने में ट्रेन बन जाता है। तो आपका धन्यवाद और आभार संस्थान और आयोजन के द्वारा।
Lecture of CSIR Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology Donation.
We are doing national, tomorrow it should become international. So, on a formal note, on the dais, so I will also request you take learning from sir, write a book of contribution at each and everyone who has helped in organizing this. Always be a writer. Whenever any good thing happens, try to write it, pen it down. Give the contribution to each and everyone. Pass the appreciation, and this is the second task given to you. I want to see each one, every person that who has helped you, it should reach to them in a form of booklet. I must thank.
And with the icing on the cake, with the presence of our
Academy of Engineering and several more, and also the Samanta Chandrasekhar Award by the Odisha.
Going to विश्लेषण of this gap, that is big gap. There should be some parameter to measure it. Otherwise, there will not be any distinction.
Like Dr. Ram Rajshekhar, morning, a tireless man who was director for 3 institutes, and there's nothing like retirement for him. Even now, his development and a country which is large economy and fastest growing economy is at that crossroads of sustainable growth. One side we are talking about COP26, net zero, and the other side we are talking about Viksit Bharat, which are most contradictory to each other, because COP26 says that reduce carbon. Viksit Bharat says that we have to grow fastest as possible, become a third.
potable water. The next one is President Paradeep. So they are also silver sponsor. The third is
the next G. Nasima, CSIR, SCRC Chennai.
Madam.
Raipur. Next, Agri Chemicals, H. Chauhan, CSR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology. Devyajyoti Kundu, CSR. Dhanbad. Thank you, sir, for being with us. और आपका साथ यूं ही हम लोग के साथ मिलकर है, so that Sikri and IMMT Bhubaneswar and Karikudi can do jointly a great work. For years, it is a event we will cherish for long. And articles are our craftsman acumenship in Cuttack.
Anybody want to express something? Only 2 minutes.
Technology for Viksit Bharat 2025. It is with immense gratitude that I stand before you to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed to making this event grand success. First and foremost, I extend my sincere appreciation to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Sudhanshu Mani sir, for gracing this validated function with his presence and sharing his invaluable insights. Your support and encouragement have been truly inspiring, sir. Perspectives and direction for sustainable science and technology. I extend my deep appreciation to Dr. Ramanujanaran, Director CSR IMMT, for his constant guidance and leadership, who has played a pivotal role in the success of this conference. Special thanks to Dr. L.D. Vesra, Chairman, Dr. R. Shaktivel, Co-Chairman, Dr.